lovers! Today we're whipping up something truly magical, Butterbeer, straight from the pages of Harry Potter. Get ready for a taste of Hogwarts right in your own kitchen. Remember those cozy scenes in the Three Broomsticks? The frothy mugs, the sweet aroma, the pure wizarding joy? We're about to recreate that magic. This recipe is fun for the whole family. It's easy to follow even if you're a beginner cook. So grab your wands, okay, maybe just a whisk, and let's get brewing. Before we embark on our Butterbeer adventure, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, you won't need a trip to Diagon Alley. You can find these at your local supermarket. For our golden butterscotch syrup, we'll need brown sugar, butter, heavy cream, salt, and water. Simple, right? Next, for the star of the show, our butterbeer cream soda, milk, and the piece de resistance, our homemade butterscotch syrup. Finally, for the perfect finishing touch, some whipped cream and a sprinkle of magic. Okay, maybe just sprinkles. All right, witches and wizards, let's create some magic. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of butterscotch syrup, a key ingredient for our beloved butterbeer. So grab your wands, or rather your wooden spoons, and let's get started. In a saucepan, combine the brown sugar, butter, and water. These simple ingredients are the foundation of our magical concoction. Stir them together over medium heat. As you mix, imagine you're casting a spell, blending these elements into something extraordinary. Watch it transform into a golden, bubbling mixture. This is where the real magic happens, as the ingredients meld together to create a rich caramel-like base. Let it simmer, stirring occasionally. Patience is key here as the flavors need time to develop and deepen. This allows the flavors to meld and deepen. The longer it simmers, the more intense and delightful the butterscotch flavor will become. Now, slowly whisk in the heavy cream and salt. The cream adds a luscious texture, while the salt enhances the sweetness, creating a perfect balance. Keep stirring until the syrup thickens. You'll notice it becoming more viscous and glossy, a sure sign that it's almost ready. This usually takes about 5 minutes. Use this time to prepare your serving dishes or simply enjoy the delightful aroma filling your kitchen. Once your kitchen is filled with the sweet aroma of butterscotch, remove the pan from the heat. This scent is your cue that the syrup has reached its peak flavor. Let the syrup cool completely. Cooling is crucial as it allows the syrup to thicken further and develop its final texture. This is crucial for the perfect butterbeer consistency. Once cooled, your butterscotch syrup is ready to be used in your favorite magical beverages or desserts. Enjoy your homemade butterscotch syrup, and may your kitchen always be filled with a touch of magic. Now comes the fun part, building our butterbeer. Grab your favorite mugs. The bigger, the better. Choose mugs that make you feel like you're right in the heart of Hogsmeade. Maybe you have a favorite mug with a Hogwarts crest, or one that reminds you of your favorite house. The more magical, the better. Fill each mug with ice. The ice will keep our butterbeer refreshingly cool, just like the one served at the Three Broomsticks. Make sure to fill it up generously, as the ice will also help to mix all the flavors together perfectly. Add a splash of milk. This isn't just any milk. Imagine it's fresh from the magical creatures of the Wizarding World. The milk adds a creamy texture that will make our butterbeer rich and smooth, creating a perfect base for our drink. This creates a creamy base for our magical concoction. Now, for the star ingredient that brings it all together, slowly pour in the cream soda, leaving some space at the top for our homemade butterscotch syrup. The cream soda adds that fizzy, sweet element that makes butterbeer so delightful. Pour it slowly to maintain the bubbles and ensure a frothy top. Add a generous spoonful, or two, of that golden goodness. The butterscotch syrup is what gives butterbeer its signature flavor. Don't be shy with it. The more, the merrier. This syrup will sink into the drink, blending with the cream soda and milk to create a magical taste. Give it a good stir, ensuring the syrup blends beautifully with the cream soda and milk. Use a magical wand or a spoon to mix it all together. Stirring well will make sure every sip is filled with that delicious butterscotch flavor. Now for the finishing touch, a dollop of whipped cream. This isn't just any whipped cream. Imagine it's enchanted to be extra fluffy and sweet. The whipped cream adds a light, airy texture to the top of our butterbeer. Sprinkle on some magic. Use sprinkles, edible glitter, or even a drizzle of melted chocolate. Let your creativity flow. This is your chance to make your butterbeer truly unique. Add as much or as little as you like, and don't be afraid to get creative with your toppings. The final result should be a drink that looks as magical as it tastes. Enjoy your butterbeer masterpiece in your cozy, wizard-themed kitchen, and let it transport you straight to the magical world of Harry Potter. Cheers to a job well done! Section 5. A dash of magic butterbeer's place in the Wizarding World. Remember the first time Harry tasted butterbeer? His eyes lit up with pure joy. Butterbeer is more than just a drink in the Wizarding World, it's an experience. From Hogsmeade trips to celebratory feasts at Hogwarts, butterbeer is always there. It's a symbol of friendship, laughter, and magical moments shared. Today you've brewed up more than just a drink. You've created a little bit of magic in your own home. Each sip is a reminder of the enchanting world of Harry Potter. Section 6. Time to celebrate. Hosting your own Hogwarts feast. Imagine stepping into the Great Hall. With its enchanted ceiling and tables laden with magical treats, you can recreate this enchanting experience right in your own home. Now that you've mastered the art of butterbeer, why not take it a step further? Brewing butterbeer is just the beginning. Think about adding other magical drinks like pumpkin juice or gilly water to your menu. Host a Harry Potter-themed party. Invite your friends to dress up as their favorite characters. Whether they come as Harry, Hermione, or even Dobby, the fun is in the details. It's the perfect excuse to share your magical creation with friends and family. Imagine the joy on their faces as they walk into a room transformed into the Wizarding World. Decorate your home like Hogwarts with house banners, floating candles, and maybe even a sorting hat. You can even set up a photo booth with props like wands and broomsticks for some magical snapshots. Prepare a feast fit for a wizard, with dishes like shepherd's pie, cauldron cakes, and of course, butterbeer. Don't forget to add some treacle tarts and chocolate frogs to the mix. Imagine your loved ones' faces as they take their first sip of your homemade butterbeer. The rich, creamy taste will transport them straight to Hogsmeade. It's sure to be a night filled with laughter, magic, and unforgettable memories. From spellcasting games to a magical scavenger hunt, the possibilities are endless. So grab your wand, don your robes, and get ready to celebrate in true wizarding style. Section 7. Share the magic. Spreading the Butterbeer Joy. Don't keep the magic to yourself. Share this recipe with your friends, family, and fellow Potterheads. Let them experience the joy of brewing their own butterbeer. You can even share pictures of your butterbeer creations online. Use the hashtag #MagicalButterbeer to connect with other fans and spread the magic even further. Remember, the best magic is the magic we share. So go forth, my fellow witches and wizards, and spread the Butterbeer joy. Section 8. Your journey awaits. Congratulations, you've successfully brewed your own butterbeer. You've added a dash of magic to your day and created a delicious treat that's sure to impress. But your journey doesn't end here. The world of Harry Potter is full of wonder and excitement. Keep exploring, keep creating, and keep the magic alive. And remember, whether you're a Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, or Slytherin, there's always room for a little butterbeer in your life.